Now how you are going to extract your screens from Photoshop. Okay, so let's switch to Photoshop. I'm going to show you very simple. We just need two screens of different states. One is this one and one is this one. Now we are in Photoshop and you can see over here, this is my tablet design. What I did is I just extended another rectangle over here and put my links over here like that, and also I placed made this cross with just using some lines. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I am going to select Control A, and it is going to select the whole canvas. So what we need is we just need to select this one, tablet. Okay, so I'm going to right click on it and can quick export as PNG. Okay, so if I quick export as PNG, this is going to show me the tablet 1. Okay, and so it was tablet 2. Okay, so it is the second screen, so let's name it tablet 2. Okay, so I'm going to save it on the desktop right now. They are already saved, so it is going to show me an error. Okay, so then we are going to hide this navigation. Okay, and we are going to remove this hover state. You can see over here, this is hover, and I'm going to show up my hamburger menu like that. And again, I'm going to right click and quick export as PNG, and I'm going to save it as tablet 1. Okay, so we have now two images, one this state and then another state with opened up menu bar over here. Okay, so we are going to import them into Invision. Let me show you. Let's go back to Invision, and I'm going to show you how we are going to use that. Okay, so where is my Invision dashboard? Okay, so this is my dashboard. Now right now I am using free version, so I'm going to delete this just to show you how I did it again. Okay, so please confirm that you understand. Okay, so I'm going to delete it like this. Okay, I understand. Okay, start first prototype, and I'm going to select my prototype, and I'm going to select my Android tablet or maybe iPad. Okay, so iPad is basically, okay, so I'm going to name it W Studio tablet view, something like this. Get started, and it is going to create my first screen. There are two ways to upload your screens over here. One is that you sync your projects from Photoshop or Sketch over here. You can download their plugin. You can get started from here. Okay, there is an Invision extension for Photoshop. Okay, I have installed it, but I prefer this method. I'm going to plus sign, using this plus sign, and I'm going to upload these files, two files. I'm going to select them and open, and they are going to be uploaded over here. Okay, now once our screens have been loaded over here, we are going to start with our first screen, view screen. Click over here, and you can see over here it is going to load it like that. Okay, now we are going to switch to this build mode. Okay, and we are going to click and drag on this area for this linking icon over here. Okay, so hamburger icon, and I'm going to select my screen 2. Okay, gesture is going to be tab, and transition will be dissolve. Okay, you can also use this instant or dissolve. I think dissolve is going to give you a very good fading effect. Okay, so I'm going to click over here, save, and that is all. If you want to change your settings like iPad black, transparent background, and foreground should be dark or light. Okay, so I'm going to use light and save. Okay, so I'm going to go to preview mode again, and let's test it. Okay, click over here. It is going to another screen, but what about clicking again over here? Okay, now we are on the second screen, so now what we need to do is we need to go to the second screen and again go to the build mode. Now we are in the second screen, and I'm going to drag this area over here like that, and I'm going to link it to screen 1, which is tablet 1. Okay, and also going to select the dissolve and maintain scroll position after click. Okay, now again we are going to go to preview, and you can see over here now it is working with the same effect we need. Okay, first screen to second and second to first, first to second and second to first. Okay, so this is how we are going to create prototypes. You can create similar prototypes maybe for this hover effect, or maybe a sliding to another window, or sliding to another screen or some effects like that. Okay, or maybe if you want to pop up your consultancy form over here, if you click something over here and you show the form show the user the form to fill up for the contact, you can show that using this prototype. Okay, so this is how we create prototypes. It is very simple, very easy, and for in Invision app it is very free, I think. Okay, so this is all about prototyping. If you have any questions, ask me. You can also use Marvel. It has a similar functionalities, but it is not very straightforward. I think their usability and user experience is not that quite good. This Invision app is very easy to learn, and you will not get into any trouble or problems. It is very intuitive and have a good interface. Okay, so this is going to sum up my course. If I have any updates or new things, I'm going to add it to the course. I'm going to share with you the links to different apps for prototyping in the next lesson. So let's move on to the next lesson.